first model of the year doing intake snorkels. These are the factory ones. They're open here. Aftermarket ones you buy, they remount right there and they come up to the bumper grill. Now mine is a two-piece design. This is a design off Thingiverse that somebody went and designed and printed up and just put up. That just leftover reflective wrap from when I did the brake calipers. So to put a little extra to it, plus I didn't want the lit kind with the lights. I don't care for all of that. So just to add a little something to it to see how I like it, I just put the wrap on there. If I don't like the look, I just peel it off. Even though I got to pull the bumper to peel it off, but I'll pull the bumper, peel it, put it back on. Now the install is pretty simple. If you already got an intercooler, then you're already taking this piece out, which is this. You see it there. It has about 6 bolts. 2 across the top, and 3 down the side. Mine has been taken out since I've already had an intercooler. The same core as the IMR kit. You may ask why I didn't buy IMR. Simply because I already had this intercooler kit made up myself. If you don't believe me, I got timestamps and date. I tried to put it on production myself, but it just didn't work out money-wise for me to get it done and get brackets made. But back me, I'm gonna see, can I reuse the rubber? Yes, I believe I can. So pull the rubber off, it looks like that. I also can see this was made up the same way. I always like to start my bolts by hand before using any power tools. No real torque needed, just snug it so you know what's in there. On these, this part just slides in. So once I put the grill down, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to keep it down. So pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Also, with the last bolt, I take it and put it back in. Snug it up so that way if you decide to take it off and put it back stock, you got all the bolts. Also, I did the same thing with the this other shroud. I left all the bolts in. There's 1, there's 2, and the rest of mine are just mounted. I want to note something. I'm gonna check it as I drive. Try to make sure those don't jiggle around or anything. If they do, And I'll probably get some of the little seal you can put around your door to try to seal it, and go around that to try to fill up that space in between the two so it won't move around. But nobody else has complained about it who has used this design from Thingiverse, so I'll see what it does. Also, they will move. They're not exactly up against there. So yeah, I probably will be adding the seal later on to kind of get the fit down right and make sure it doesn't move. Don't think it'll fall out, but if it do, I'll just get them reprinted. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. All is left is to reinstall the front bumper, plug up my front sensors, then I'm done. Thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all next time.